In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate text-to-speech completely free of charge. This is very much human-like and is quite similar to something like 11 Labs in terms of the quality. So to start, you can come to anywhere within your browser. You can just go ahead and search for OpenAI FM, just like so. OpenAI FM and hit on enter, and you brought in over here. The first option, OpenAI.fm, you can click on it to open it. So once you're here, you can just go ahead and paste in your text and define the voice type. I want to keep it at Ash, and then define the vibe. I want to keep it as smooth. If you want sympathetic or medieval knight or eternal optimist, you can try all of them to see which one is going to work for you the best. Now down here, you can define the type of voice. The voice should be deep, velvety, effortless, cool. You can see the definition of this type of jazz DJ voice, the vibe that you've just defined, the personality. You can see pronunciations, and so on, the phrasings and so on. So this is where you paste in your text. You can just select this, and let's say we have this welcome to my channel post, and once you're done, you can go ahead and click on play.
Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled you're here. In this video, we'll dive into some exciting content to help you learn and grow. If you enjoy what you see, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started.
And that's this one. And once you're done, if you like what you see, what you hear, you can just go ahead and click on download. And with just this simple click, it is going to download that particular audio that you have just generated. It is that fast and that simple, and you can go ahead and share with your friends as well if you're interested in sharing, if you want to share. But then it's direct and it's completely free of charge without limit. It's done by OpenAI, so you can just go ahead and explore and see what you can do with this. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.